Oh, toys for you. Hi guys, and welcome to What's Inside. We have What's Inside Dancing Hero Iron Man. This is at the request of Leva Bezyanov. I hope I am saying this right. And I am very curious. I have no idea what we will find inside. Let's check him out. I forgot to show you some basic features like removing helmet, and voila, this handsome boy, Robert Downey Jr. face. Oh, okay. Dancing is out of the question right now. No dancing. Okay, and we have familiar looking what's inside. So we have seen this for all the dancing standing toys. What we haven't seen is hands with LEDs. Gotcha! Okay, we have the batteries here, we have the main board here, the speakers. Well, this is what I see. What else? Let's turn it on. I believe the on-off button is here. Yep. So what do we have here is basically the engine right here, and the engine is spinning these gears that you see here for the legs A and B, and the swinging motion of the body right here. Let's see if I can open it just a little bit. And there you have it. The engine. What was that? It's like a bomb here. Unbelievable, but we managed to put it back. We had to call China in order to do that. I don't know how those guys do it. Okay. Take a look again. The thing is, I forgot what this white thing does, so I have to put it back in order to understand it. This reminds me of the Vader scene. Can you hear me, Lord Vader? Yes, master. Okay, guys, this was it about what's inside. Comment what you think about it. If you have also comments about my mental health, I don't mind that. Comment and let us know what you want to see in the next clips at What's Inside. Until then, may the force be with you.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying...